The order of your plugins makes a big difference, and we're going to show you why. Let's go. If you mix audio, then most likely you're using software plugins. Vocals are perhaps the most difficult part of a mix to get right. Here's a pro audio chain that'll help you get your vocals right where they need to be. First in the chain is a simple EQ to roll off unwanted low-end frequencies. You want to clear out the low end and leave room where the kick, drum, bass, and certain synths can breathe. A simple EQ set to low cut around 100 Hz will do wonders for your mix. A de-esser is a special type of compressor built to tame certain frequencies, which is a must for most vocals. De-essers smooth out harsh S sounds and high frequencies that can make vocals too bright. Next is a second EQ where we shape the vocal to blend with the instruments in the song. This may include notching out any boxy frequencies or giving the upper mids a lift after de-essing. On vocals, we like to place our compressor after the EQ, but there are plenty of mix engineers that do it the other way around. It really just comes down to preference. We like to EQ first so that we're not compressing any unwanted frequencies. Our compressor serves the goal of tightening vocals so it'll sit just right in the mix. On vocals, the compressor is always our last plug-in in the chain. Our first send effect is always a reverb. We dial in just enough to make the effect noticeable, then bring it back down a notch or two to where you can barely hear it. We record our vocals dry, so the goal here is to give the vocals just a tad bit of space. Our second send effect is a delay or modulation effect. This is where we give the vocal a little bit of side depth, but here again, not too much. Remember, less is more.